Hello, Leah Moss here, your local Lake Murray realtor. I'm out here today at Land's End at Woodside Shores, the newest Lake Murray community. Beautiful homes. So I wanted to tour a couple of them today, and this one that I've got behind me is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. It's got a bonus room, open concept, granite countertops, of course, floor to ceiling, fireplace that is just beautiful. So let's take a look. So I just want to pan around because I like to show what the neighborhood looks like. Obviously this is new construction neighborhood, so there's still going to be some building going on. But these are really nice big lots, and I really like that about this community. Okay, so we'll kind of walk around here and just take a look at the side of the house for you. Two-car garage here. Let's just walk in and take a look. Love the color. Front door, the double front doors is beautiful. And I will add as well that I love the covered porch area. You can hang some swings out here, set up some patio furniture. It extends the width of the front of the house, so that's really nice. You can sit out here, obviously. A little bit of the outside. So let's take a look inside. And all of the homes come with this keyless entry that you see. Now they are doing obviously some painting, so got to look past all the plastic a little bit. But the first thing that really jumps out at me is just the expanse of the home and the 2-story family, area, living room, I guess you could say. And I love the fireplace. I mean, the floor to ceiling custom fireplace is just beautiful. So I'm just going to kind of pan around, let you see how the front door looks from this side. Oops, my camera's not cooperating. So you can put a little entry table right here, have plenty of space for that. Again, let's take a look at the ceiling here. So pretty high 2-story entryway as well as the living room, which I think really adds an elegance to the home. And we've got the kitchen. Obviously this is open concept. So you've got all stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinetry. Large island. Open a couple of these up and see. Nice deep cabinets. Microwave, obviously. Pot filler, which I love. A good pot filler. I'm just going to uncover this just a little bit. You can see this is a gas stove, so that's nice. And this is I think this is a 5-burner. Yeah, 5-burner, so that's really nice. Cover that back up so the painters don't get unhappy with me. So I'm just going to kind of pan around and show the room. I'm standing back here in the kitchen. Again, look at this island. Look at all the space that you can have to put things. Huge pantry, which I love this. I mean, look at the space this pantry is. I would have loved to have had this pantry. I would still love to have this pantry. I also like that it's not wire shelving, that it's, you know, real true shelves. So I think that's a really nice touch. Good amount of space. Let's pan back around here. Just kind of take a look at the room from back here. Outside, we've got these nice double doors. Open this door as well so that it really opens up, you know, if you're having family over and getting everybody together, game day or holidays or whatnot. And another big expansive front porch, or back porch area over here. Again, you can, you know, add the swings back here. Listen to how quiet it is. You just hear birds and some wildlife. Now remember, this is a lake community, so there is lake access, obviously not for this home itself, but for the community. There is I believe, boat track where you can park obviously a boat ramp that is shared, and then where you can park your boat trailer. There's also a picnic area, a covered picnic area. So that's all really nice things that make this community extra special. So let's go back here and look at a couple of the bedrooms. Again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So here's one of the bedrooms. Closets. I love the doors, the style of these doors. Good size closets. Really nice closets. I love the little shelves in them. When my son was young, I remember my mother and I were so proud of ourselves because we hung a shelf. He needed a little low shelf sort of like this because he couldn't reach his toys if they were up here. We were so proud of ourselves. I wouldn't have had to do that in this house. They've already done it for me. Whoops, my camera is not cooperating today. I apologize. I had literally just said that my camera was not cooperating and then it cut off. So it's definitely not cooperating. Anyway, let's finish looking at this place. So we've got a linen closet here. Well, really, I guess it's a hall closet because looks like you can hang coats. Let's take a look at this guest bath. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna say that I love how tall this is. I guess some people would say I'm tall. I'm about 5'8", but my husband is very tall, and this would come in very handy for him. So really nice guest bath. I like that there's a little window up there to let some natural light in. Got a pretty deep tub here in the area for all of your bath toiletry items. Big, nice shower head. A good amount of drawer space in here too, that you don't always find that in guest bathrooms. So, and then this is going to be the secondary bedroom. Looks like it's got a little bit even bigger closet than the other one. Yeah. Wow, that is a nice closet. Good size closet. Okay. Let's go to the other side of the house now. We're gonna be on an adventure getting through the plastic, I guess. So we've got the mudroom area here, which is really nice. You know, when you have little ones coming in from the garage here and dumping all their stuff, their backpacks and their shoes and everything else. So that's a really nice feature to have. So here's the garage. I like that it's a side entry garage too. Got a couple of windows, that's natural light. Looks like there's some extra space over here. And then this door, I saw it on the other side, goes outside, which is nice because then you don't, because if you guys are like me, we use our garage door as like the front door. We go in and out of the garage, but this would be a really nice feature that I would love to have on my next home. But look at all this space back here to store things. That's a really nice use of space. Okay, let's head back in. We'll take a look at the master bedroom before we go up to the bonus room. And close the door here. Again, love this mudroom area. And we've got the laundry room. A good amount of space in here. I like the cabinets. You don't always get cabinets in laundry rooms anymore. You get the wire shelves sometimes, so that's a really nice feature. All right, and here we are in the master bedroom or primary bedroom. Good sized room. I love the ceilings, how tall the ceilings are. Let's take a look at the closet. Oh my goodness, this is nice. Ooh, very nice. Look at all this space. I mean, if I just come all the way in this corner, I mean, this is a huge closet. Huge. Okay. So again, there's the master. Now here we are in the bathroom, the master bath or primary bath. Again, I love the tall vanities. That is such a nice feature. And you've got your little makeup or vanity area here that you could sit at, you know, ladies, put your makeup on, that kind of thing. And then we've got the shower over here. Very nice with the rain head, shower head, I guess. Yeah, that's nice. And I love the tile. Okay, and then we've got the water closet over here. Standard water closet, but this is a really nice bathroom. I apologize for my camera not cooperating. Probably making everybody dizzy. All right, so let's go up to the bonus room. Oh, first of all, I'm gonna say, I love that there's not carpet on these steps. That's a plus in my opinion. Love that there's a window as you're coming up. Ooh, look at that sun shining in here. Nice big landing area right here. Look at this bonus room. Perfect area for the kids. Very nice. And you've got extra storage, obviously. These two doors that go to like attic space. That's nice. Good use of space up here. Let's pan around and just take a look at the whole room from this angle. So yeah, really nice house. I mean, it's 1,840 square feet, but honestly, it feels bigger than that. Just a good 3-bedroom, 2-bath for young families or young couples who are maybe gonna start families or have fur baby families. So yeah, this is it. So feel free to contact me if you're interested in seeing a home like this. My number is down at the bottom of the video. Or if you would like to see any other homes, I would be happy to help you out.